Oh, you're so smart.
So funny because she's funny.
The shape. I found the shape.
Yeah, what shape? What's that shape?
I found the shape. Yeah, this about this as 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look like a triangle.
Look, we like that. No, the triangle shape is triangle.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah, let's start. Oh no, the circles. What's the shape circle?
That's a circle. Big circle.
I'll try, Mommy.
You can try.
Small circle.
It's nice.
Small circle.
Misha like.
And put it there. That's good.
Okay. Misha, you can mix with butter, please. Melted butter.
Ah! That's cookies. It's so yum. Ah, look at that. Where? What's the way? Whoa, open. Oh, finished.
Thank you. Beautiful. We making filling now.
Yeah.
Okay, first we're gonna put some soft cheese.
Ew, that's much cheese.
JP like cheese.
Sticky.
Yes.
Help you.
JP will help. JP like.
20 minutes later.
God, that.
Let's see, one second. Let me help.
Mommy, look at the
I
blueberries.
see. Okay, let's put some soft cheese. Okay.
Yeah. It's so yummy. It's so yummy.
Mascarpone cheese.
I'm too. Me?
JP, one second.
Yeah.
Okay, JP, double cream,
Double cream.
please.
See. Double cream. Wow. That's double water and double cream. No, we just turn it off. Oh no! There's 2 whites there. Oh.
Almond butter and peanut butter, 50-50 ratio. We need some vanilla bean paste, just a little bit, please. Okay, thank you. JP would like to try?
Do I want to try? Oh, perfect. Perfect. I love you. Hey, look how she's. I love you. Look, put the finger. No. Let me put the finger. Oh, no.
Okay, now we need to put some of icing sugar.
Icing sugar. So yummy.
All of it.
Which one?
This one. And now JP can press number 1.
Daddy! Cold.
Yes, it's cold.
Look. That's yummy.
Do you like?
Look at. Let's put the table.
Okay.
I'm stuck. Stuck. Let's go. Ah! Bigger. Bigger. Bigger.
Misha like.